class, we're going to do math a little bit differently today because I want to show you some money. Now, we know this is a picture of a nickel. Is this a real nickel? No, real nickels are not as big as my hand, but it's a good picture. So you can see the front and the back of a real nickel. See the back? And it says 5 cents. This is a picture of a nickel. This is a picture of a penny. We know this. It's a penny. It says 1 cent. What do we count by when we have pennies? 1 cent. Now this penny is the size of my hand. This is what a real penny looks like. It's a little bit different, isn't it? But it gives you a chance so you can look at it and see, whoop, here is a penny. 1 cent. So in your math paper today, we are going to be counting nickels and pennies. Now what do we count by when we have nickels? 5 cents. And what do we count by when we have pennies? 1 cent. So I want us to start at the back of our math paper today and look at some nickels and some pennies. Our first problem is 1 nickel and 1, 2, 3 pennies. Do you see that 1 nickel and 3 pennies on your paper? Now, we're going to start by counting by fives. So there's 5. And what's 1 more than 5? 6. 1 more, 7. 1 more, 8. You are going to count, put a 5 under the nickel, 6, 7, 8. How much cents is it? 8 cents. Let's look at the next one. So we have 1, 2, 3 nickels. 3 nickels and 1 penny. So let's see if we can count. 5, 10, 15. And what's 1 more than 15? 16. That's 16 cents. Let's look at the next one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 nickels. Do you see all 5 of those nickels on your paper? But that's not all we have. We also have 1, 2 pennies. So let's start by fives and count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 1 more than 25 is 26. 1 more than 26 is 27. This is 27 cents. Let's look at the very, very last row. We have 2 nickels. 2 nickels and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pennies. 2 nickels and 4 pennies. Now, how are we going to start counting? With our nickels. 5, 10, what's 1 more? 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 cents. Now let's keep practicing counting our money, boys and girls. Do your best.